Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem. If sine theta equals to minus 3 by 5, which of the following could be true about theta? If sine theta equals to minus 3 by 5, which of the following could be true about theta? So we have to pick one of these options where sine theta equals to minus 3 by 5, which options of this are correct. Now to solve this problem, we have to understand how the graph of sine curve will be between 0 to 2 pi radians or 0 to 360 degrees. I have taken approximate curve how it looks like. 0 to pi by 2, sine increases from 0 to 1, pi by 2 to pi, it comes down from 1 to 0, pi to 3 pi by 2, it decreases from 0 to minus 1, and 3 pi by 2 to pi, it again increases from minus 1 to 0. Now what is that we need to find out? Let's see what is sine theta value here. Sine theta value is minus 3 by 5. So let's identify where is that value approximately. Minus 3 by 5 is minus 6 by 10. Let us say this is minus 6 by 10, and we know we will have two values of that, one in third quadrant and another in fourth quadrant. Okay, perfectly fine. Now let's go through the options and see what we can rule out. First option, A 0 less than theta less than 2 pi by 3. What is 2 pi by 3? 2 pi by 3 means 2 into 60 degrees. 2 pi by 3 radians are 120 degrees. 0 to 120 degrees, that means, can I say this is 180 degrees for our understanding. This is 90 degrees and this is 270 degrees and this is 360 degrees. Now you can clearly see 0 to 120 sine is positive, so this is ruled out. Next one is 45 degrees, pi by 4 to pi by 2, that is 90 degrees. 45 degrees to 90 degrees means we are somewhere here, so that is also positive, so I can rule out B option also. C is 2 pi by 3, 2 pi, less than pi. Less than pi itself tells us that it is less than 180 degrees, so I can rule that also. Now only the options we are left out is D and E. One of them should be correct, as it is a single correct answer question. So if we are able to rule out D, then we know E is the correct answer. Now let us see what is option D window will be. So let's write down that. 5 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6 is less than theta is less than 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. We know that sine of 5 pi by 6 is less than sine theta is less than sine of 7 pi by 6. What is sine 5 pi by 6? That is sine of pi minus pi by 6 is less than sine theta is less than sine of pi plus pi by 6. We know that sine pi minus theta is sine theta, so that is sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is less than sine theta is less than minus of sine pi by 6. That is equals to 1 by 2 less than sine theta less than minus 1 by 2. So according to option D, let's find out what is the window of option D. So let us say this is 1 by 2 and this is again 1 by 2. Then this window looks like this. This is the window of option D. This is minus 1 by 2, can be written as minus 5 by 10, and what we have here is minus 6 by 10, and this is also minus 6 by 10. So we can clearly see that the window of D is not having sine theta value. The sine theta value, whatever we want, is outside the window. So option D is wrong and option E is correct. Now let us see how option E is correct. We'll write down option E, that is 5 pi by 3 is less than theta is less than 3 pi. So sine of 5 pi by 3 is less than sine theta is less than sine 3 pi. Now we know multiples of sine pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, all of them are 0. So this is 0. We have sine theta here. This is sine of 2 pi minus pi by 3, that is minus sine pi by 3 is less than sine theta is less than 0. Now we will focus on this particular value. What is that? Sine theta is greater than minus sine pi by 3. Now what is minus sine pi by 3? That is minus sine 60 degrees. That is minus root 3 by 2. That is minus 5 root 3 by 10. Can we write down that sine theta is greater than minus 8.66, because root 3 is 1.732, then it is minus 8.66 by 10. So for the option E, the window is starting from somewhere here. This is where I have the value minus 8.66 divided by 10. So you can see clearly that the option E window is starting from here and it is having the value what we want, that is minus 6 by 10. So option E is the right answer.